All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel, and hopefully you guys are getting something out of these updates. This is not financial advice, so when you guys send me questions, I cannot answer them. I try to explain everything in the video, so anything that's in the video is all the information I'm really going to give you. So like with Tezos here, you can see Tezos is in a falling wedge pattern. I do expect this thing to break out to the upside. This thing's about 3.5 months old. So it's at that prime age to break out at any time. As soon as we see the volume coming in and we see the RSI curling up. RSI is going sideways at the moment, so we're just kind of sitting here. But in the near future, this thing will break out to the upside out of this falling wedge. As long as you hold about, as long as we stay above $1.25, you're good for a move higher. We may even hold this $1.33 down here at this support and never move below that. So watch $1.33. As long as you stay above that, the wedge is still in play and this thing's going to move higher. You drop down, as long as you hold about $1.25 and you don't fall below that, this wedge should play out and we should move higher. We are printing red on the Heikinashi here, but we're kind of doing this little wave pattern right now. So we may be in store for a breakout soon. Like I said, it's at the right age to where it could break out at any moment. If we take our measured move here, this is another point I wanted to make. You can see this measured move takes us up here to where we topped out back here at this $1.92 area. But the fact that we're in a bear market, these things tend to not play out as they should. So I've seen some of them go about a quarter of the way, 50% of the way. And when they get to that first resistance, they top out and then they fall off the table. So this is why I always say have a game plan. Don't be greedy. Know when to get out. In a bull market, I would say that this measured move plays out and you hit $1.92 and then even higher price targets. But the fact that we're in a bear market, like I said, don't be greedy. Know when to get out. Take your profit. Say something like Tezos here. You put $2,000 in Tezos, and you know that it's in a falling wedge pattern. You know the price targets to watch for it to stay in the falling wedge. And you throw $2,000 in this thing, and this thing makes a move up. And I would say that at least, this is my price target I'm watching. Of course, not financial advice. I'm watching $1.68. If we get up here into this $1.68 area, that's my exit strategy. That's my exit point. That's a 22% gain on $2,000 if that's what you were to put in. And, that's about $440 or so that you made, in the matter of days or depending on how long this thing takes to play out. But usually when you have a breakout from a wedge here, you'll have a one or two nice green candles spawn in. So you're looking at about 2 days and you make that nice profit there. And if you're not greedy, you get out, take your profit, and move on. But if you're expecting this move to play out up here to about $1.90 and even higher, I wouldn't count on that. The market conditions are just not right for that right now. So you may even come out and hit $1.49 here for about an 8% move and then fall off the table. So always have a strategy. If you don't have risk tolerance, take your 8% out of that 2,000 and get out and move on. The fact that this thing is in a falling wedge pattern, you know it's going to move higher. It may only move 8% higher. It may not make that 22%, but hell, I'll take 8% any day. That's a good return on investment, depending on how much you put in. So, yeah. With that being said, just wanted to point that out. Tezos is in a falling wedge pattern, waiting for the indicators to move higher, waiting for some volume to come in, waiting for the RSI to curl up. The CRSI down here is on its way up, so I'm waiting for it to peek its head out. When it does that, I'm expecting a nice fat green candle to spawn in and this thing to hit my price targets to the upside. So, yeah, with that being said, I'll stop talking about Tezos now. So, hopefully you guys enjoy the videos, enjoy the content. I just try to put as much information as I can so you guys, have a little bit more to go on when you're doing your investing. But like I always say, none of this is financial advice. You always got to do what you think is best in your situation. You know your risk. And with that said, thanks for watching, everyone. If you like the content, like the videos, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel because I try to do daily updates. And if anybody wants to comment and request me to look at anything, I'll take a look at it. So yeah, Tezos in a falling wedge pattern. I'm expecting a breakout. I'm expecting at least a 22% gain on Tezos. over the next week or so. So, yeah, with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.